rules first. How to write a good description. How to write a good description. Right? We are going to learn how to write a good description. Okay. Number one, if you want to get good score, in your whole paragraphs, you need some cohesive devices. To show the flow of information. To show the flow of information. Flow of information. Number two, yeah, that is the problem. We are going back later. Cohesive devices are the devices that help you to write consistently, sequentially, serially, right? We are going to that. So cohesive devices, you have to learn both for task 1, task 2 and speaking, right? Second, you need to write the main information. I shouldn't write the main information, rather I can say key information. Comparisons. Make comparisons. Okay? Make comparisons means you have to compare.
Compare with the information.
Yes. Make comparisons. Must be where relevant. Where relevant. Okay? Side of the description, the bottom, you can write the, minor information. I'm sorry. To cover 150 words. If you see that you're just writing the main information, it's not giving you the 150 words target, you can write some minor information, okay, to make up 150 words. Am I clear?
Yes.
So have you taken the notes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going for the action then. We are going for the description, right? Okay? See what happened. The examiner or the question asks you to compare. So if you complete the comparing requirement at the very first end, so one job is done. So always make a comparison at the beginning. Make a comparison at the beginning. Let's say we are writing the description. In 1985, energy demand, energy available. Energy, we can write the energy available. We can write the energy available was how many minutes? Okay, I'm sorry. The fifth point, description is the main point, fifth point. We must write, use the tense, correct tense, right? Use the correct tense. Number 5, use the, if you make a mistake with the tense, you don't get good score in that. Clear? So, we can say this about the past. So we are writing was. If it was about present, what do you do? Write? Present is. Right? So energy available was how many units? 3.5 units. 3.5 units. See, we are comparing at the beginning. Compared to. Compared to. This is a comparing phrase to make comparison. Compared to, you must remember. And right after the compared to, you must write the value. Compared to, write the value for the next one. Compared to 5 units. Compared to 5 units. For
energy demand.
For the energy demand. Am I clear? So we have written the beginning statements. Now the other one dropped or declined. Okay? So now we can follow either. Which one do you like to follow? Which one out of two? You will show the increased one, no problem. So, however, so once you write opposite something, start with opposite cohesive device. Do you understand what is cohesive device? Here's a cohesive device. To connect your ideas, to compare your information, right?
I learn more about it.
Especially to connect information, either positive or negative. Okay? Either you can show it is opposite, increase or decrease, whatsoever, opposite to the present condition.
In the contrast.
In contrast. Okay. Let's see. However, what can you see? We are going for the positive one, right? The amount of which one? Energy available. Amount of energy available surged went up very quickly because 1 unit equals 100 billion megajoules, big quantity. Am I clear? So surged went up very quickly, rapidly. Surged means went up very quickly or rapidly. However, the amount of energy demand, energy available, surged and peaked. Peaked. Peaked means went at its top position. Right? So peaked by the year, what is the year?
1995.
1995. And it stood at, increasing the vocabulary, increasing the words. It stood at, we directly could write peaked at, but we are increasing the number of words. And it stood at 6.5 units. 6.5 units. We can write another information here. It was the highest level for energy available. We can make a note. Interestingly, it is introductory, right? It was its, এটা ছিল ইহার, it is the value, and its means energy available. Its highest level. Highest level. Let's see. তারপরে কি হলো? Then It plummeted, fall very quickly, dropped very quickly. Am I clear? Okay. Then we are using another cohesive device. Then you are busy with writing. You are not busy in understanding. You must be busy in understanding because if you take the notes once I tell you, right? Then it means what?
It means energy available.
Yes, not repeating the noun, not repeating the subject again and again, over and over, over and over. So then it, what happened? Plummeted. 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 এই পর্যন্ত লিখে ফেলেন। Then we are going for the next.
So PLO or U?
You. Everybody?
Yes.
It's over. Any help? Decline by what? It was 6.5, then went to, come down to 2.5. So decreased by 4 units. And declined by 4 units. By means minus product.
Yes.
4 units. So what was your subject? Mathematics? Yep. Yeah, that's why you said very loudly yes. Okay, 4 units. In how many years?
20.
In 5 years. In next 5 years. Next 5 years, right? Next 5 years. From 1995 to 2000. 2000. Right? See, then it plummeted and declined by 4 units in next 5 years from Atul to Atul. Means 1995 to 2000. And completing the whole. And didn't change. Did not change till the end. Increasing the number of vocabularies because I need to complete to 150 words. The graph is very simple. Am I clear? Can I go for action? Mabuba in contrast, as Tafsir said. In contrast. No. In the same para. Can't you see? It's in the same para because I didn't give any space or gap between the paras. Right? In contrast, what happened? Energy demand. The demand for energy reduced, comma, reduced, comma, clear, dropping. It is another pattern of sentence, very high standard pattern. Firstly, I wrote the demand for energy reduced, declined, dropped. Clear? Dropping from 3.5 5 units. Dropping from 5 units to 2 units in
5 years.
in
Within 5 years.
1990. 1990. Okay? Or we can say units to 2 units.
Within 5 years.
No, it's okay. I wanted to write about the leveling options. Then it leveled out, right? Then it leveled out. Leveled, double L. Can you see? Double L. Leveled out. Up to because we wrote till up to 1995. Before, see, before rising to, before rising. Why rising? Because we write generally rose for the past. Because of the preposition, we are using ing form. Can you understand? Do you understand? So before rising to, okay, up to this point. Finish, then we, okay? Done?
So result outcomes are
Means did not change. Before, right? Before,
rising.
before
Rising.
rising to. Rising to how many units?
Rising.
Let's say 4 units.
4 units.
Rising to 4 units in 2000, right? In 2000?
2000.
In 2000. Finally, because this is the last line, we are happy, right? Finally, the demand for energy, demand for energy rocketed, R-O-C-K-E-T-E-D-L-Y, rocketed, I'm sorry, rocketed means went up rapidly with a force. Clear?
Like stars.
Like the rocket.
Light rocket.
Yeah, same goes with the search. So like rocket, you're right, why not? Rocated and reached and reached the ever highest point reached the ever highest point at 7 units. 7 units in 2005. So, there you go.
Cumulative gross annual.
Yes? Big hand for Nazrul Sir. That's the end. Basically, it's easy. If you very calculatively do it, you can do great in writing. So.